Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores on one account. So if you have one Gmail, if you already have a Shopify account and you want to create multiple Shopify stores, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this. It's very easy and quick. All you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your own Shopify store, as you can see here, guys, and then you want to click on my store here in the top right. As you can see, just click here and then you want to click on here where it says log out. Okay, just click on log out, and what you guys need to do now is you want to click now on log in, and what you guys need to do next, you just need to log in using your own email or Google account. That's what I'm going to do right now. What you guys need to do is click again on my store in the top right, and here you will find all the list of your Shopify stores. Now I have like 4 Shopify stores, and to create multiple Shopify stores, for example, if you have one and you want to create more, just click here where it says all stores. Okay, click here, and then it will take you guys to this page. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to click here where it says here create store. Now as you can see here, guys, these are all the active Shopify stores I have right now. I have 4, but I can create this like another one. Okay, it's going to be like 5 stores here. Now I'm going to click on create store. Now of course I'm going to show you guys how you can switch between your Shopify stores. Now as you can see here, guys, it says here let's get started. Click on next, again get started, and then just wait so that you can start getting your store. They can make after they create your, just wait so that they can create the store. I decide later. As you can see here, guys, I have successfully created another Shopify store. As you can see here, guys, 3 days left in my trial. So after 3 days I have to pay for each store the subscription fee. Like if you are wondering if you are going to pay, as you can see here, guys, I had like 4 stores. Now I have 5, as you can see. Now to switch between your own Shopify stores, just click on my store in the top right, and then you want to click on any Shopify store you want. For example, you want to click on this store. It's going to take you directly to your own Shopify store. Now all your Shopify stores will be visible here. You can switch between them. Now if you are wondering if you have to pay a subscription fee after you create the new store, yes, you have. For each store you have to select a plan. Okay, you have to pay $1 for the first month. As you can see, it says here select a plan to get your first month for $1. Okay, the first month is going to be $1, and after that you will pay monthly. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments and drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.